Why many people do not speak English, but they want to speak English, but they cannot express. What is the reason? Because I facing this problem very long time, and I want to speak English, but I was very fear to speak English. And when I was so talking with any person, so I raise my curiosity to English, but how to improve English? So a very long time I searching this problem, how to improve English language, and why do many people do not speak English language. And I was saw lots of students who join English spoken classes, but they do not speak English very well, and when they go to on the stage, but his influence is not very good. So lots of mistake, and they going on like 6 month. He studied, but his English influence is not good. What is the reason? So reason is they little bit practice, and they think first of all I will cover whole English grammar, and then I will speak English. This is the big mistake. Yes, this is the compulsory to know English grammar rules, but they start speak English in initial days. So when did you think how to walk in childhood time? First of all, you will follow, but you never give up walking because you have a curious to walk. So same reason you can follow English learning. So first of all, when did you stop to speak English? So I think a lot of time I will speak English tomorrow. I will speak English tomorrow, but time is waste. So I think I was thinking 6 months ago I will speak English, and I will record my mobile, and I will upload on YouTube because lots of teacher who teach English, and they talk if you want to improve English language, so you can practice with mirror, but I have a no mirror, so therefore I I speak myself, and I will record with my phone, but lots of English learner they do not speak English because they do not start English speaking. So first of all they start speak English language. First of all you give a maximum time like practice for practice. So if you give a 6 month English learning, definitely you will look at change. My English influency gradually improving. First of all, believe yourself because lots of people improved English, but why do not improve? Because you are a human being, so you can speak English. First of all, believe yourself. Thank you.